So now again we are in exercise 22b, question number 9. It is talking about a triangle ABC where AC is perpendicular on it BC, and length of BC is given 15 centimeter, and one information provided, sin B is equal to 4 by 5, and we have to find out length of AB and we have to find out length of AC. So we'll use sine formula. Sin B is equal to actually P by H, and for this angle B, P is AC and H is AB, and as per book it is given 4 by 5. So we'll consider let AC is equal to 4x and AB is equal to 5x. And AB square minus AC square will calculate. AB square minus AC square is equal to BC square. So 5x square minus 4x square, that will come out as BC is given 15 square. So after calculation it will come out as 3x whole square, that is equal to 15 square. So 3x will come out as positive value, we are taking 15. X will come out as 5. Hence length of AB will be equal to how much we have considered? 4x. So it is 4 into 5, that is equal to 20 centimeter. And length of AC, this is AC. And length of AB will calculate. So length of AB will be equal to how much? 5x. So that will be 5 into 5, that is equal to 25 centimeter. Now second part of the question we are coming. It is writing, now if tan ADC is equal to 1, given tan angle ADC is equal to 1, this one, you have to find the value of CD and AD. So tan ADC is equal to how much? P by B, and for this angle ADC, P is AC and B is how much? CD, that is equal to 1. So what will happen? AC will be equal to CD, and now only AC we have calculated. AC is equal to how much? 20 centimeter. Hence CD will come out as 20 centimeter. One question has come. Second part you have to find out AD. So as you know, AD is actually hypotenuse for this right angle triangle. So it will be AC square plus CD square, and AC and CD both are equal. So it will be 20 square plus 20 square. So it will come out as root over 800 or 400 into 2. So it will be 20 root 2. So AD length will come out as 20 into 1.414, means 28.28 centimeter. Your answer has come out. So question is easier but little bit longer. So now we are in question number 26. So here in this question, in triangle ABC, AD is perpendicular to BC. Length of BC is given as 21 units. This is given 12 units. This is given 20 units. And you have to find the value of 10 by sin x plus 6 by sin y minus 6 cot y. So what we are going to do, at first we are going to calculate DC. So DC will be AC square minus AD square. AC is 20 square, it is 12 square. So 400 minus 144 will come out as 256, and 256 is 16. So since this value has come out as 16 and the total length is 21, so this length will be 21 minus 16. That is equal to 5 units. Now this is known 12 and this is 5, so we will calculate AB. So AB is behaving as hypotenuse of the triangle, so it will be 12 square plus 5 square, 144 plus 25, 169, that will come out as 26, 13 unit. Now Your duty is to find out sin x. So sin x is equal to P by H, means BD by AC, AB. So it will be 5 by 13. Then we'll calculate sin y. Sin y is P by H, means AD by AC. AD by AC, AD is given 12, AC is 20, so it will come out as 3 by 5. And the next one is cot y. Cot y is B by P. So B by P will calculate. So B is how much for this one? B is 16 DC and P is AD. 16 by 12, 4 by 3. Now we'll put the value. 10 by sin x means 10 by 5 by 3. 6 by sin y means 6 by 3 by 5. And minus 6 of y is minus 6 into cot y we have calculated as 4 by 3. 3 will cancel it 2 times. 13 will go up. 13 10 is 130 by 5. 5 will go up. 5 6 is 30 by 3. And this is 3 2 is 6, 2 4 is 8. So solve and your answer will come.